about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hello everybody, my name is Sandra. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a girls' night out. I was going to call it a date night, but it wasn't because I was going out by myself. And this is a pretty low-key maintenance look, and it still looks pretty sexy at the end. So to start, I'm using my Jeffree Star Holy Mist Refreshing Spray to give my face kind of like a glow and just kind of add that needed moisture to my skin. And you'll notice that in this video, I do not do anything in the right steps, or the steps I usually do, I should say. So I'm starting with brows, and here I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in medium brown, and to top it off I use the Benefit 24-Hour Brows Freeze Gel. So I'm singing in the background, so sometimes when I do voiceovers for my videos, I do that on purpose because I'm practicing my songs for karaoke, so pardon if I am singing in the background. You'll see that quite frequently. Because it's one of my favorite things to do. If I'm talking during my video, I can't listen to music, and I love music, so that's why. So I'm not doing my brows too dark. So again, this is a low-key look. I want it to be as natural as possible. And for lips, I'm going in with this Colorpop Just a Tint. I believe the shade was Mango. And then I used the Charlotte Tilbury Plumping lip gloss, I believe, on top, and I think it was like the medium berry color. For primer, I used the Caliray So Blown Primer to fill in my pores, and I only put it underneath my foundation. Foundation is the KVD Good Apple Foundation Balm 036 Medium. I went in with my fingers today, just because it gives a more natural finish, and I don't need a whole lot. It's just to cover up my skin pigment. And to set that down, I am going in with my Kosas Baked Powder in Cloud Set. It's the shade Feathery. And you'll notice I did not use concealer, which is crazy. Bronzer is Kosas The Sun Show Bronzer in the shade Escape. Blush is Haus Labs Color Fuse Blush in Hibiscus Haze. I still can't get over the fact I didn't use concealer today, but I didn't think I needed it. So I guess I forgot my brows, so I had to go back in and put some brow gel on. All right, so then the next step is mascara, which I completely skip over. I also had liner too, and now I can't remember which liner I used. I think it was a black one. Adding some highlighter to the inner corner. It's Mary Lou by the Balm. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up. If you are new, please click the subscribe button. Click also on the bell notification button so you won't miss any future videos from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, friends.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.